Alright, what's up, y'all? We got, as you can see, grilled chicken, onions, white, and we put some purple in there. These are some bell peppers, red. We letting it cook on 2-ish, 2.5. This is here because I'm gonna cook later. I mean, we're not clean right now, but our area is kind of clean, except for it's the real wow. Alright, so I'm letting this saute for a little bit. And now since I'm here, I'm gonna put it on 3, since I can watch it, you know. I was just letting this cook by itself. Don't want it dirty. As you see, it's getting its color. That's what we're gonna do. If you have this, as you can see, this Asian little thing. Or if you don't, guess what? Tomato paste. And if you only have this, if you have some either bell peppers, I mean not bell peppers, these peppers. These chili balls, or just chili peppers. These just like a different kind. I will use 3. Because I'm sharing this with somebody. I don't know how spicy I like it, so. Going with for nice saute. We're going with a tomato paste. And if you have this fly by Jane, fly by Jane, fly by Jane. Three little scoops. Say, of course, bell peppers. Put 3 in there. You know, as I'm cooking with somebody, or I'm just sharing this with somebody. I want to say for somebody, because I'm cooking for myself. Now we got our tomato paste. Okay. This will give it some nice color. You don't want to put the water yet. Just the color is good, you know, presentation. Especially the taste. Fuck presentation sometimes. I don't know how it tastes like until the end. I might taste the broth. But hopefully it's good. That's what I always say. And always healthy, you know, as much as we can. Good. You know, it's frozen. I can't get it out like that. I can't get it out like that. Cause this is gonna be a little bit a lot. If you know what I mean. If you get my drift. It's gonna be a little bit a lot. But not a lot, you know. Let me show you what I see. I see green. I see red. Red over heels. I see the onion looking at me. Yo, my hair only look like this. So it's moist right now, so don't think my hair is like that. I got that nappy. But right now, it's sweaty outside, so you know, my hair changed like my mood changed. Let's see. Right now, it's off a little bit. Showing you what that Caribbean do. See how it looks here right now? Just all color right now. Nice and red. The bell peppers, everything going in there. This chicken has no, I didn't put no seasoning in it. Or like, pre-made it with seasoning and stuff. This is straight up sauteed chicken. And since we're gonna boil it a little bit in the spaghetti, we're gonna absorb all that thing because he already gave us some moisture. That's why I didn't put no water yet. So you gotta see. I got today's make what you got. We got fettuccine spaghetti. We got Frito cheese, toilet, whatever the cheese action. Cheese tortelloni. Tortelloni. We got the primo rigatoni. Just regular noodles. Yes. So we about to mix all these. You feel me? We the Caribbean, so you gotta. Your dish can't be simple. Never can be simple. Cause you might go to cook something regular, and then boom, now you doing a full live cooking. Boom. Every time I take my head off, I just take the head off too, and I just smack it with the pepper knife. Same thing for jalapenos. Just roll it, take the head off, beat it, all the seeds will come. simple things, simple things. Oh, I'm sweating like crazy. Should have brought the fan in here. Yeah, we got our strings. We got a high color. Heck yeah. Now we're gonna leave this rest when it start. When the water is absorbed by the spaghetti, we put the rest of these vegetables in. That way it just moisten that. I guess it's cooked and not like overcooked. These veggies. We got it like this, y'all. And before we put the water in to make our broth, we're gonna put some. I don't know. I ain't got no tomatoes, but we got un diced tomato con verde chili verde, green chili. And we got us some peppers and some oregano. You gotta put the veggies in there, yo. It won't even taste like you're eating them. I promise you. Follow this recipe. If you have the patience to. Okay. Now we're gonna open this. Alright, we added the chili verde. So now all we gotta do is the sazon. If you don't know about the sazon, you better find out about the sazon. You gotta cook with the sazon. Or make like a piece. Make your own sazon. There's different kind. Right? It's all based on your taste. 1.5. We got cloves. I don't like it, but guess what? I always cook with it. Just cook it. You don't even know you're eating it. We got pollo con loco, buddy. Put a little bit. Put a little bit more because we are gonna put a ton of water in there. Add a dash of this version. Just because I put a sausage, an Italian sausage in here, just to spike it up a little bit, make the flavor come out. You don't want to kill yourself with how they call it, vegetable. We got the turmeric, mandatory for cooking. See, I'm just dapping. I know what I'm gonna make and how much water. So I turn the heat down to 2. So I still right now it's making a little water, a little broth. I call it. Now after you add all your thing for your guts, you can get me. We're gonna blend them together. Now if you don't have this, you don't gotta use it. You just use the Sazon will make up for it, or the pollo will make up for it. Or use a little bit of, if you got pink salt, use the African salt. Hard labor right there. Use that. If you know, you know. Although I'm making spaghetti, I just want me a sweet potato. I want something on the side, you feel me? I don't eat much sometimes. So we're just gonna leave it with the skin on. Wash. Let the ends off, both ends. If you want, trim it a little bit. Because for me, I don't know why, just like eating banana, sometimes the spots irritates me, man. If you want to cut fast, I don't know how to do it, please, but look, that's what you have to do. Act like this. You hold it. Boom. Just don't push the knife down, and you can just literally cut anything like this. Carrots, even cucumbers. Promise you. And you don't even have to throw much away. Real easy. Just boom. And this knife is not sharp, so you people will have an easier time than me. And look how I'm doing it. Easy. I am gonna leave a little skin on, cause you know, still wanna flake. Now put this on the side. But we don't have to pour it in. But since it's a whole potato, I want it to cook. Now, so we got a little bit of vegetable. Either vegetable broth or bone broth. Or chicken or beef if you are using beef. Your preference. Alright? This is your field, man. You do what you wanna do. For a little bit. This is about half of it. I would never put the whole broth. And now, cut your water to get that real broth, because the meat is gonna make its own water too. And all that seasoning, all that stuff, you don't want to die off high blood pressure. Say soul food is only good sometimes, but you could make it good every time. Yeah? For the soul. Now, but I call it country cooking. So boom, put some water in there, and The same bottle you use for the veggies. Cause you know there's still some sodium in here too. You still wanna, we healthy, but still, you still dabble. Alright, boom. See, I filled it halfway. So basically now I'm pouring in a whole bottle of this, but it's just half broth, half water. And now boom, trash. Alright, you add all your seasoning first. The reason I do that, cause later on, like I said, you haven't seen me taste the food yet. And I usually taste the broth, just cause I might do that with y'all. But I usually don't taste my food until after. I don't smell it cause I'm cooking it, so we gotta see. We got the tomato right, but we need something else. It's missing something. It's too light. I gotta clean this house before I leave. Carrot and spaghetti. Why? I don't know, man. Carrot is nice. It's good. If I had some eggplant, I would be like, what the fuck is he doing? I'll put that thing in there. Eggplant and spaghetti. Of course, we already added some green onion while it was frying, but now it's boiling, Now we're gonna add the rest of the veggies. Boom. Real simple. Simple things are a blessing. Simple thing. I would add these peppers right now, but I don't want it to get too mushy. Now, secret weapon. I don't know why, it's just better. It's just not even the presentation with this, but the smell, man. It's like you cooking real life. How you call it? Not pigeon, but like I don't know, woodpeckers. Alright, boom. Put these right here. Some parsley. Then you gotta put that parsley in there. Parsley. Look how beautiful this looks. And because we feeling extravagant, putting the brother in there, the cousin. Like I said, the smell, man, when this thing hits your stomach, especially after a day of work. Oregano. 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 I promise you. Now I'm gonna keep a little bit off to the side. Alright. Only reason why I didn't before, or most of it, because I want that spaghetti. You know how spaghetti soak. I want everything to be on top. I want it to just embrace the spaghetti. You know what I mean? The leaves just wrap around that thing. You know, spaghetti, even if there's no leaves, you're gonna be smelling that thing. If you understand. Alright, first I would add these, but they're not pre-cooked, but they were pre-made. So you put them in the middle. You know we got the white onion. Gotta get that white onion. It's kind of like before you know how you cook the meat outside, you put all these things on it. You might put like the onion you use to cook it just in the fire, just so it can smell like it or whatever. It's the same thing. Create a base. You see that? Boom, 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 boom. Now it's like building a house, man. That's why I had to learn how to cook eggs before I just started cooking. But look, now we put with the long grain, because you know this right here is gonna absorb that water. We don't want to lose none of that, and we don't want the spaghetti to be too, you know, since we adding macaroni, we don't want it to be all good. Of course, like I said before, I am cooking this, as y'all see. I can't help it. They're just in here. The macaroni. I just add this noodle since I didn't have no more. And I don't want it to be waste. You know, you can't waste food. Even though I've been wasting food. But let's go. I'm gonna put like half the bag, since I'm gonna put this just to get the flavor. It's all about mixing the flavors, you know? It's all about integration, you know? Gotta mix everything together, you know? Alright, boom. Now we got these. Alright, now you see? It looks like nothing. Just no water, no nothing. I'm gonna pause and I'll be back for, say, 10 minutes on low heat, 2.5. I won't be, you feel me?